what if we have some specific, and you can say it's something that we are using it, how are you embracing this? I will show you how we are dealing with this, and I will show you the tool, and you will see that the tool is super simple. And with no code, I'll do a super complex operation behind the scene, and you will see how to add additional attributes to a dimension item. Let me just refresh first this data. So I'm looking into the data, and what I'll do is I will show you the information that I'll share for the items. So currently, this is what we have in the item. And you can say, okay, it's quite a lot of attributes, but there is nothing about replenishment, okay? So I'll show you how to get additional information on that by just going directly into our tool. And you will see it is not a technical at all. So we're going into the managing part where adding attributes or removing it. It's also important to remove the attributes that you don't need in case you want to deal with optimization. That is also very important. So we have the list of dimensions that we are using. I'm going into the edit. I have the model, and in my model, I have available all the data tables from your, in this case, this is a BC, and I'm just keeping the same model as it is, going into the list of the fields that are available from these tables, and I'm just looking for replenishment items. And this is what I'm just going to click. I'll be not very picky. I just click all of this. Okay, so actually I've added 7, 8 fields here. I can already know whether there will be an option field, a true, false, or a code. I could put a friendly name here down there, but I'm just fine for demonstration because I just want to show how easy it is. That's all I need to do. Now the code will be generated, probably about 1,500 lines of code, because we are deleting what is already there and recreating again, but you don't have to do. Like from a front-end perspective, this is a pure and simple no-code development, no code. If you are a heavy lifter in a data warehouse, you can do everything that you want to do. So because this is a small cube, it is a retail cube, I can demonstrate this right away. And let me just refresh the data. We are focused not so much on the content here, than whether we have this data coming or not. So this is the item here, and we should see the replenishment members here, right? So that easy it is changing any part of BI4 Dynamics. Also, if you would like to change this transactional table, removing an item, a field, or adding, one click away. So just be sure that this is not difficult. And by the way, if you would like to know what you have been done, and you can just do immediately also after you developed something, print out the documentation. This again shows you that BI4 Dynamics is not just a good solution, but it's actually a great solution, because you can see here documentation just delivered in 9:30. I'm Central European time here, and it shows the model that we had. If I'm looking into my dimension, and these are all dimensions. Okay, by the way, I can show you also the cube, how the retail cube it is built, is a measure group, how this is done. So this is created on the spot, very nicely structured PDF. And here is my item dimension and replenishment. You see information is here. If I would have a complex building up or a simple, it's the whole formula is here. So that easy it is. You don't have to worry at all.